What I wanted to talk to about this morning is competitive advantage. You know, I'm gonna pick on you for a moment because it goes back to a phrase you started telling me way back when I first started BNI, that have an event and who shows up? Financial planners, right? Networking event, the financial planners show up.
There's so many financial planners.
So you have some competition in town, right?
Maybe.
Matt, are there other insurance agents? Just a few? Ted, payroll? For sure. Even, sometimes even amongst in your own business, in your own empire, right? At Paychecks. So in essence is we all have competition. What makes you different? What is your competitive advantage? How many here compete as being the lowest price in town? That's what I thought. So what makes you different than other people in your business category? Now, I'm not saying that we need to do this, it's up to the president, but maybe today when we go around and do our sales manager moment, we talk about what makes us different. Why should we be connected to somebody else? Because each and every one of us that sits in here has so many different competitors. Even myself, I joked about not having, hey, if you put on Nextdoor, who's going to know a cleaning consultant or whatever. But technically, in the United States, there's thousands of them. So what makes me so much better and different than the other individuals that I should be introduced? There's no other attorneys in town, right?
Not even in this room.
You're right. But there usually is. But again, what makes, either Dawson Law Firm different, or what makes you, so that we refer them to you, what makes you different?
And we're flip-flops.
You're the one in the flip-flops.
Wearing attorney.
But sometimes those little quirky things are what make a difference. So years ago when I worked for another company, I was considered the best dressed salesperson to walk on construction properties, and I was always in a suit because that is how my employer wanted me to be. He wanted me to look so different than everybody else that it set the attention that we were different. So that was part of the corporate philosophy on why and a competitive difference. But what makes you unique? Why should we refer work to you is the question of the day.